Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Blockies Pokemon number 0006 Charizard Flame Pokemon Fire Flying Classic Edition CVL Prologue of Adventure Blockies figures. This is the front of the box. And ito yung side, shot of the action figure. Charizard Flame Pokemon Blockies figures. And modular play, iba't iba pang accessories. Meron siyang flame effects, rich accessories, super articulation, and advanced materials and craftsmanship. Special PVC soft material gives Pokemon products a soft texture. Oo nga, ganda nga ng material na to. Sa Blockies, meron ding Charizard, Greninja, Neoscarada, and Cerulege. Alright, this is Charizard out of the box, and man, super ganda. Tagal ko nang gusto nito. Nakikita ko to sa Philbars, sa KKV, sa SM North. Grabe. Laging sold out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Measure muna natin yung height niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 inches tall. Ang width niya ay, ang body muna, 3 inches. Tapos yung wingspan. Wingspan niya, teka, around 7.5 inches. Tapos yung tail, measure na rin natin yung buong length niya. Pag from head to tail. Halos 11 inches. Halos isang ruler. Ang tail niya, siguro mga 6.5 inches. Tapos yung base niya, ganda ng base, 4.5 inches. Alright, so start tayo sa head. Super nice Pokemon head design. Since Charizard is a flame Pokemon. First time ko to, at ito, second time pala. Second time ko to mag-review ng Pokemon dito sa channel natin. Yung first three natin, si Piplup, Charmander, and si ano pala yun? Sprigatito. Tapos ngayon si Charizard naman. So if you want to watch yung mga three na maliliit na versions, punta lang kayo sa mga previous videos ko. Yan. Charizard is is a dragon, flame dragon. Wala akong masyadong alam sa Pokemon kaya please bear with me. But I've done little research about dito sa mga ano natin, sa mga flame Pokemon natin and sa mga evolution. Tapos ni-research ko din si Mega Charizard X and Y, yung mga abilities nila. Yan. Thank you din ChatGPT for the very useful information. Yan. Okay, kung meron akong information na mali, please correct me na lang sa comments. Okay? Pero i-research ko rin more information about this. Pero grabe, ang ganda ng gawa ni Blockis dito. You have the horns here, or ears, dito, or horns dito sa kanyang top back of the head. Tapos meron siyang mga muscular na eyebrows, and then you have the nose, the teeth. Tapos natatanggal din yung flame effect. Yan pwede mo ipasok dun sa mouth niya. And then you can close the mouth. Very nice touch. And then you can also use this para buksan ulit yung mouth niya. Okay? Kasi naghahanap ako ng maliit na, uy, tama nga ba? Pwede nga ba to? Ayun, pwede nga. Yan. Hindi naman na-damage yung yung plastic. Pero ang ganda nga ng material nito soft plastic siya. Hindi siya yung super tigas na plastic. Yan, no? At saka may weight din si Charizard. Then you have the neck, very nice neck, and then you have the large body, large legs for stability, thin arms, and you also have the large wings. Ang color palette niya dito, desaturated orange. Hindi siya super vibrant. Tapos dito sa ilalim, pale yellow, and then very nice flame effects dito sa tail. And meron din red and yellow na flame effect. Tapos dito sa base naman, dami niyang flame effects, grabe. Very modular to Pwede niyo ilagay kung saan niyo gustong kung saan, pwede niyo ilagay kung saan niyo gustong position yung mga flame, yung mga flames, yung mga flame effect. Tapos astig din ng mga accessories na binibigay ni Blockies dito. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flame effects. Yung 4, ilalagay nyo dito sa base. 1, 2, 3, 4. May mga iba't ibang butas yung mga base, yung base na binigay sa atin. Ay, yung base na included. And then, kayo na bahala kung saan nyo gusto ilagay. Tapos, meron siyang sticker na lava. And then, you also have this. You have the stand, flexible na stand. Tapos, meron siyang flame effect na parang siyang Chinese character. Mga stick lang din. Na pwede mo rin ipasok to dun sa ano niya, sa mouth niya. Yeah, I think so. Open, 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 open. Open up, open up. Yan. I think pwede rin to eh. Yun, pwede nga. Ganda ng anong, ganda ng gawa ni Blackies dito. Charizard na flame Pokemon. Yeah, I really love the flame effects na ginawa nila. This is more red, mas vibrant to. Ito naman mas orange since ito yung lava effect, lava flame effect from the furnace. This is very cool. For articulation naman, you can move the head up. Very nice. Super articulated. Pwede nyo rin buksan yung kanyang mouth. Ito na lang yung ginagamit ko since soft naman tong plastic yan. And then you can also see the teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the tongue. Okay, you can also move the head. Rotation, 360. Pwede. Okay, up and down. Very flexible yung head niya. Yung neck din, ayun o. Naka-cut kasi into separate na mga joints. Ito. This one. Tapos, nga pala, pre-built na tong mga ano na to, mga parts. Hindi mo na siya i-cut from the runners. So, you don't need any tools. You don't need any glue. Super enjoy build it ng mga blockies na action figures. And then you also have the arms. Very flexible arms. So, kung ball joint yan, talagang magagalaw niyan kung anong gusto niyang position. Ayan. You can rotate. You can bend. Yun, you can bend. Ayan. Okay, that far. Tapos, ball joint yung kamay. Ikot, 360. Okay. You can move the arms that far. Okay. Tapos, bend. Okay. Ball joint lang din yung kamay niya. So, very articulated itong figure na to. Tapos, itong legs niya can also rotate. Tapos, ganito lang yung ano niya, yung peg niya. Ball joint. Very simple, yet napakaganda ng playability. Okay? Tapos itong part na to, wala masyadong movement, pero ball joint din itong paa. Again, shoutout muna sa Collector's Quest. Meron kaming project and ito yung X-Deal na toy na hiningi ko para sa kanya. Ito yung ito yung project namin, Daredevil. Okay, Born Again. All right, thank you very much, Sir Kurt Lim. Shout out to you, Collector's Quest. More power. Thank you very much. Yan, punta kayo sa shop nila, sa Green Hills, 3rd floor. Pupunta rin ako dyan soon para magkita naman tayo, Sir Kurt. All right, shout out to you, sir. Super nice product. Marami pa silang mga binibenta. Ang ganda ng movement ng tail. Yung tail nga pala. So dito muna tayo before we go to the Collector's Quest shop. Okay, yung feet, meron ding pale yellow section, and then itong part na to, yung kanyang stomach, pale yellow din hanggang dito sa ilalim ng tail. Yung tail made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different sections. Kaya sobrang fluid ng tail niya. Ayan, medyo naputol lang. Okay. So madali lang naman siya ikabit. You know. Ganda ng movement ng tail, super fluid. So if you are into stop motion, pwede rin. At saka may articulation din tong wings. Okay? You can move up and down, in and out. Tapos ito, nabibend din to. Okay? Yung feet, you can also move. Alright. Pero itong tail, super flexible. You can twist, you can turn, you can rotate. Yan. Alright. Balik tayo dun sa Collector's Quest. If you're looking for any action figures, meron sila mga statues, mga McFarlane's, NECA, meron silang binibenta sa shop nila. And also, you can visit the website collectorsquestph.com. I think, just search Collector's Quest PH. Okay? So, yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun ang ating review para dito sa Blockies na action figure or collectible. Blockies Classic Edition Prologue of Adventure Charizard. Custom natin to into Mega Charizard. Gagawa tayo ng mga extra sculpts dito sa figure. So we can do the Mega Charizard version. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.